and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just sharing with you my midday reset, what I do to recharge. I work remotely, so a lot of times I'm indoors, and one of the ways I like to just stay energized throughout the day is just by getting some sunshine. So I love to go and just get some steps in and check my mailbox. It's just one of my favorite things to do. A lot of times it's hot, so I do take an umbrella. I would definitely advise that. It kind of wards off the heat a little bit. But right next to my mailbox is my pool. And so, you know what? I decided to take it easy and actually enjoy the pool. It had been forever since I had actually sat by the pool, took my shoes off, and actually put my feet in the water. And let me tell you, it was so relaxing. I forget how nice the pool is here. So anyways, I just wanted to share these moments with you guys, just to encourage you to just take some moments to yourself if you can and just unwind. I later came back home and made myself an iced coffee. I actually got this brew coffee from Home Goods, you guys, and it's just really easy. You just add in the cold brew, the almond milk, and a little bit of creamer. And you guys, this was just the perfect midday reset. It was absolutely delicious, and you save some money as well. Well, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please give this video a thumbs up. All right, until we chat again. Also, make sure you subscribe because I'm going to be doing a what's in my beach bag, everything you need for a great day at the pool or the beach. So make sure you're subscribed, and God bless.